question is, Meena went to a bank to withdraw 2000 rupees. She asked the cashier to give her 50 and 100 rupees notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of 50 rupees and 100 rupees she received. Okay. Once again, Meena went to a bank to withdraw 2000 rupees. She asked the cashier to give her 50 rupees and 100 rupees notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and 100 rupees she received. So this is the question. We have to find out how many 50 rupees notes and how many 100 rupees notes are there in 2000 rupees. Okay. So let x is equal to 50 rupees notes. Okay. Then y is equal to 100 rupees notes. Okay. These are the numbers. X number of 50 rupees are there and y number of 100 rupees notes are there. So given that there are total 25 notes are there, which means x plus y is equal to 25. Okay, this is equation number 1. Okay, so next, she asked her cashier to give her 50 rupees and 100 rupees notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. We know that x times 50 rupees notes are there, which means 50 rupees notes x times. Okay, or x 50 notes are there plus 100 rupees notes y times, or y 100 rupees notes are there, and all together we get 2000 rupees. Do you understand how this equation exists? That means there are 50 rupees notes and 100 rupees notes. Okay, 50 rupees notes are x times. 50 rupees notes are there. Okay, so 50 times x. Then y 100 rupees notes are there, which means 100 times y. All together we get 2000 rupees. So this is equation number 2. Okay. Then as usual, by elimination method, we have to equalize any of the coefficient. Okay, so now we are equalizing our x coefficient by multiplying equation number 1 with 50. Okay, so what's happening? That is, this equation changed as 50x plus 50y, which is equal to 25 times 50. This is 1250. Okay, so 1250. Okay, then by subtracting, what's happening? This 10 becomes 0. Okay, 100 minus 50 plus 50y, which is equal to 2000 minus 1250. 2000 minus 1250 changed as 750. Okay, so this is 750. Then y is equal to 750 divided by 50, which is equal to 50. 5 in 75, 50. Okay, so y is equal to 50, which means 100 rupees notes are 50. Okay, number of 100 rupees notes are 50. Okay, then what is x? That is, we know that x plus y is equal to 25. We know that y is 15, that is x plus 15 is equal to 25. Then x is equal to 25 minus 15, which is equal to 10. That is, x is equal to 10, which means number of 50 rupees notes are 10. Okay, 10 50 rupees notes are there. We should check the answer is correct or not by substituting all these values in equations. Okay, so we substitute values of x and y in equation number 2. what's happening, that is 50 times x is 10, right? X is equal to 10. So 50 times 10 plus 100 times y is 50. Then if this equation satisfies both RHS and LHS, then our answer will be right. Okay. So this is 500 plus this is 1500. It is clear that this is 2000. So our answer is correct. Okay. If you have any doubts, if you get answers and if you have any doubts on the answer, then please substitute all the values in the any of the equation. If RHS and LHS become equal, then we can say that our answer is right. Okay. So this is the answer. So the last question from the exercise 3.3 is, a lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Okay. Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, which Susie, I think we pronounce like Susie. Susie paid 21 rupees for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge for each extra day. Okay, once more. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, which Susie paid 21 rupees for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge for each extra day. So, in this case, take a book and if we kept it for some days, we have to pay both fixed charge and additional charge. Okay, for the first 3 days we have to pay only the fixed charge, then after we have to pay some amount for each and every day. Okay, did you understand? So in this case, Sarita paid rupees 27 for 7 days. That means 3 days she have to pay the fixed charge only, then after she pay fixed charge and also the charge per day. Okay. Then Susie paid 21 rupees for 5 days. So we have to find out the fixed charge and extra charge. Okay. So this is the question. So now the fixed charge being taken as X and the additional charge or the charge per day should be taken as Y. Okay, two parameters X and Y, or two variables X and Y. So now Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days and this fixed charge is for 3 days. Then after we have to pay additional charge for each day. Okay, so fixed charge X plus there are total 7 days. Okay, for the first 3 days we have to pay only the fixed charge. Then for the next 4 days we have to pay additional charge for each day. So X plus 4 times, that is 7 days already, 3 days for the fixed charge and additional 4 days we have to pay an additional charge Y. Okay. Then Sarita paid rupees 27. Sarita kept the book for 7 days. So she have to pay both a fixed charge and the additional charge. Okay. For the first 3 days we have to pay only the fixed charge. Then after we have to pay our additional charge for each and every day. Okay. So we have to write X, this is a fixed charge, plus Y. Y times 4 because 4 days are the remaining 4 days are. So 4 times Y is equal to 27. So this is the equation number 1. Hope it is clear for you. And what is next? Susie paid 21 rupees for the book she kept for 5 days. Okay. So for 5 days, in 5 days, 3 days we have to pay only the fixed charge. So which means X plus the remaining days are 2 days. 2 days we have to pay the additional charge. That is x plus 2y is equal to total she spent for rupees 21. Okay. So x plus 2y is equal to 21 and this is equation number 2. Okay. Did you understand how to write this equation? Okay. Then so these are two equations and by elimination method we have to find out the values of x and y. Here in this case the coefficient of x are same, so we have to directly subtract the equation 2 from equation 1. So all these are minus signs. This term will be 0. 4y minus 2y is 2y, which is equal to 27 minus 21 is 6. Then y is equal to 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. So additional charge per day is 3. Okay. Then from this equation we have to find out the value of x or the fixed charge. That is x plus 4 times y is 3. 4 times 3 is equal to 27. Then x is equal to 27 minus 12, which is equal to 15. That is y is equal to 3 and x is equal to 15. This 15 is the fixed charge whereas y is the additional charge per day. Okay. So this is the simplest question. And dear children, we completed our chapter 3, linear pair equations in two variables. Hope it is clear for you. If you have any doubts, please ask me in the comment section. Okay. And you have to practice all these questions. These are very important questions. If you practice it correctly according to the rule, you have to solve any of the questions from this chapter. Okay. So that's all for the day. Thank you. Have a nice day.